What's going on, B Nation? I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope I'm fitting in the camera here. I'm quite tall, so sometimes my head gets cut off, but I like to show you guys what I'm doing too. So I don't know, this is the best I can do. So hopefully you can see what's going on here. But I am going to be doing a lemon detox cleanse. So I don't know how long I'm gonna do this for. This is day 1 of my lemon cleanse, and the reason I'm doing the lemon cleanse, if you guys have been following me, you know that I just said that I'm going to be doing a juice fruit cleanse in February. However, I've been doing fully raw, 100% raw fruits and vegetables lately. Actually, I had some steamed veggies the other night. Sorry, forgot to mention that. But yesterday I did fully raw. Full day fully raw, and I felt really good. I did these lovely oranges. These are organic. Look at these, you guys. They're awesome. They were so good. I did those oranges with some berries. I did some lemon water yesterday. I did some herbs, and I was pumping with energy. I was feeling so good. And I woke up at 4 in the morning and I couldn't go back to sleep. I just had this like ball of energy in me that, I don't know, I'm either gonna have to go for a jog or I'm gonna have to tone it down with some veggies, although that's not happening today. Or yeah, I'm just gonna have to pump out a bunch of videos just to get that energy out somehow. But the reason I'm going to the lemons now is because I don't know, something about today, I just feel like going to more of a astringent fruit, more of a cleanser. And if you guys have seen a picture of my eye, you know that I'm working against a lot of genetic weaknesses, such as my rosary that I'm dealing with, which is the hardened lymph nodes in my lungs, in my chest, in my liver. I'm working on my kidneys, my adrenal glands, my pituitary, my parathyroid, it goes on, my skin. So, and of course my whole reproductive area, which I've healed myself from ovarian cysts by doing grape detoxes, fruit cleanses. And I just want to really work on all these areas, like regenerate them completely with the fruits and vegetables. But the lemons in particular, as well as your oranges, the lemons are very astringent, they're high alkaline, and they're really, really powerful. So we're gonna do this detox, and I'm going to make a juice here for you guys. And I got one of these lemon squeezers from Superstore just because I was making a lot of my berry mixtures and they were getting seeds in there, and it wasn't that big of a deal. But so what we got here, I have about, this is 1800 milliliters of water, which is about 2 liters of reverse osmosis water. So hopefully you guys can see that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use, you know what, we're gonna go for a big lemon. I like the one in here that I see. So we're going to choose 1.5 lemons to 2 liters, about 2 liters of water. So we will get this going. And what I do is I just cut off the ends like that. So I believe, you guys, just learn in here, I believe this green one is for your limes. So that's for putting your limes in. And then the yellow one is for your lemons. That makes sense, right? Okay, so then typically I think you would want to put it down like this, but it doesn't make that much. You could do it that way, but I think you want to do it this way, as it's going to be pushing the juices downwards. So we're just learning as we go here. So we're just going to squeeze that in. Oh yeah, look at that. So nice. So you guys, if the lemons are too much of a pull, and I'll let you guys know if it's too much of a healing crisis for me or detox symptoms, if it's too much pulling out these acidic waste out of the body, then I may have to go back down to the grapes. So if you are doing the lemons and they are too much, or even the oranges, and it's just too much of a pull on your lymphatic system, and you're not filtering. See, I'm filtering just a little bit. I'm filtering a little bit. I wouldn't be doing the lemon cleanse if I wasn't filtering a little bit, because you want the body to be able to get rid of these acidic wastes out of your body. And so if they're not filtering out, if your kidneys aren't filtering properly, or your skin is backed up, everything just starts staying home, and that can be very painful. Yeah, you don't want to go to the more astringent fruits like your lemons and pineapples, and most pineapples are acidic. It's hard to get a ripe pineapple. But if the lemons and the oranges are too acidic, too much of a pull on you, then back down to the grapes. And if that's too much of a pull, back down to your papayas maybe. And if that is too much of a pull, if that's too much of a healing crisis, then maybe just go down to your veggies. Like, if you can't do the fruit right now and it's too much detox symptoms, then go down to your vegetables, your steamed veggies, or your vegetable juices like carrot juice. That'll be really good, and should slow it down, your lymphatic system, a little bit. Okay, so you guys, I did 1.5 lemons in here. Looks pretty good to me. So now what I do, you don't have to do this. Okay, this is optional, but I do put in organic, this is organic maple syrup, 100% maple syrup. The organic one was the same price as the regular maple syrup, so I just got the organic one, but I'm going to put in, let's say that's about a quarter cup of maple syrup. And this again is optional, but I put a pinch, just a dash, you guys, of cayenne pepper. And you don't need to do this, but I do this because I like to just stimulate a little bit the lymphatic system just to get it moving. But you don't want to overdo it with the cayenne because it could actually be an irritant. So just you don't want to be too, go too crazy with the cayenne. I'm just gonna put, that should be good. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. We'll stir it up and we'll see if it's sweet enough for me. I do like my juices sweet. I like everything sweet. I like my people sweet. I like my food sweet. I got that sweet tooth, so stir that up here and we'll try it out. Okay, here it goes. That's perfect, you guys. So good. Oh, it's delicious. So we're gonna see how this cleanse goes. I will keep you guys all informed. And if it's just too much for me, we'll back it down to the grapes again and go from there. So yeah, I just thought I would start digging in a little deeper, start opening things up, and we will catch up with you guys very soon. I'm gonna be pumping out videos because I gotta get rid of this energy somehow. The fruit is where it's at, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some fruit today. Cheers.